So smooth hands and beautiful soft skin in your hands. That's what we talk about today. I have 3 steps for you to protect your hands as well as reserve the damage that they suffer from being exposed to soap or whatever all the time. I know that when I do that, when I follow this advice, my hands are super smooth and soft. And when I slack off that and neglect that, I can see that my hands are drier and maybe some spots on them. So I have 3 steps for you. The first one, exfoliate. First, we're gonna remove the dead skin cells because the buildup of dead skin cells on the hand, as well as the dry, cracked skin that's exposed to chemicals or other elements, can cause a huge factor in dull, aged-looking hands. So a quick remedy would be a weekly exfoliate. I love natural sugar scrubs, which are gentle and more hydrating than salt, as I find it. And sugar scrubs have added benefit of glycol acid and alpha hydroxy acid, which encourage new cells turnover. So it's perfect for removing sun damage. You can easily make sugar scrubs at home. I have a lot of recipes in my blog on the website, all easy to make. Just once a week, exfoliate. Step 2, hydrate. Keeping your hands hydrated is a big anti-aging, but you want to make sure that you do it right. So when I pay attention to that, like at night, I will put cream and I'll put a glove on it. But I know during the day we don't have time for that. So I like to go for something richer than a very light cream. I will go for more like the cream for dry skin, the hand cream for dry lotion from Pure, or the body butter. I love the body butter, and it's really in a serious dryness condition. It is perfect. And try to do it when you after you wash your hands. Step 3, you want to protect your hands. Like every dermatologist on earth will tell you, the number 1 best thing you can do to prevent aging is to use SPF, and I say it all the time. So religiously, every day, no matter the weather, even in the winter, you want to protect your skin, and that includes your hands with SPF. So use a natural mineral sun protection also on your hands, not only on your skin, on your face, sorry. And don't forget to do it after you wash the hands again. This will prevent damage, but also with a long, good use, it will also correct. So these were my 3 steps: exfoliate, hydrate, protect. These 3 steps equal smoother, soft hands.